Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to easily access the WordPress Help Center. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate your way from the main WordPress page to the Help Center, where you can search for assistance, read helpful articles, take courses, and even chat with support. To begin, start by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress website. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, you will see various options and tools available to you. Focus your attention towards the top right corner of the page where the login option is readily visible. Clicking on the login button will bring you to the authentication page where you can sign into your account with ease. After clicking on login, you will be presented with several ways to sign in. For simplicity and convenience, choose the option that says Continue with Google. When you select this option, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Simply click on the account you wish to use if you are already signed into multiple accounts. This process not only saves time but also makes logging in a seamless experience. Once you have successfully logged in using your preferred Google account, your next step is to locate the top right corner of your screen again. As you move your attention back up there, look for an icon that resembles a question mark. This icon is your gateway to the Help Center. Clicking on the question mark icon will immediately direct you to the Help Center page designed for WordPress users. In the Help Center, you will find a variety of resources at your fingertips. The page is organized in a user-friendly manner, allowing you to search for help topics using keywords related to your issues. In addition to the search functionality, the Help Center also provides a collection of detailed articles that cover a wide range of topics, from basic troubleshooting to more advanced customization tips. There are also courses available that offer step-by-step instructions and video tutorials for new users who want to learn best practices and improve their skills in using WordPress effectively. Another valuable feature is the support chat option, which connects you directly to knowledgeable WordPress support personnel who can answer your questions in real time. This feature can be incredibly useful when you are facing a technical challenge that you need help resolving promptly. By following these steps, you have now accessed the Help Center, a comprehensive resource that empowers you to resolve issues, learn new techniques, and enhance your overall experience with WordPress. This guide has taken you through the process in a simple and straightforward way, ensuring that even if you are new to WordPress, you can quickly find the help you need. With the Help Center now at your disposal, explore the extensive array of resources available, experiment with searching for topics, and consider utilizing the chat feature for immediate support whenever you encounter a challenge. Enjoy your journey with WordPress, and remember that help is always just a few clicks away.